What's up, people of the world?
Today we are back again with the challenge called Master Lock Challenge, which we had never.
Somebody requested it.
Yeah, somebody
And then
requested,
say
which this person's name is Alex Kai R28K. Sorry, we're pronouncing it wrong, but
Sorry.
yeah, he requested this video, and
Yeah.
I think it's a he. Sorry. He requested this video, and like we told you guys, request videos, and we would try to make them. But yeah, we've never heard of this challenge, but it basically means that he like.
I locked her. Like I tried to lock her in my.
And I have to try
like,
to get away.
Well, basically like this.
Yeah.
And she has to try to like break out.
Yeah.
And then she does the same thing for me. We could do a standing, sitting, I don't know, our knees.
Yeah.
We'll see what we do. But
Yeah.
Let's
So we hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started.
you go first.
Easy, I'm weak, guys. I'm weak.
No, like you go first. I love you first.
Oh my
We're gonna
God.
be sitting down first. Sorry about the noise. Yeah. It's,
An awesome noise.
yeah. I love that noise. It's like music to my ears.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Let's just enjoy that.
Okay.
Okay, but it's
Right.
hard though. I can't get off the
Set.
chair, right?
No,
I
you
can't
can't.
get up?
Yeah, that's one thing we forgot. She can't
Then you
get
should
up.
go
looking at you.
behind me.
Okay.
Yeah, he should go behind me. Come
We
on,
move
guys.
this chair.
Yeah, go behind me. Hold on. Do you fit there? Okay.
Yeah, I fit it.
Okay.
Ready. Hold on, let me get my hands right. Ready, set, go.
It's hard though. Ah! What if I put like my pucho poquito?
No, you can't get up the chair.
Oh god.
Oh, your nail scratched me. Oh, that's what you're trying to do on purpose, huh?
Oh, it hurts.
Come on, baby. She's turning red, guys. Just give up, baby. Just give up.
There's no giving up. Let me take off my glasses.
Team D, Team Denex, stand up. Look at Team
Why are you
Lily.
putting all your pressure?
Team Lily right here is losing. Come on, baby. You tap out. You give up. You give up, baby. You give up.
Do I?
You give up.
Yes.
Okay.
It starts to hurt my neck.
Yeah. 1 point for me. Let's write it down because then we're not gonna keep track. Let me write it down.
Guys, it's so hard. It's harder than what it seems. Like sitting down, you can fucking really
What's your
get
thing at?
strained.
Yeah, I see it.
And it starts to hurt by carrying your neck. Like he puts all his pressure in my neck. Like if it won't hurt.
How
Like
is
if it's
it? My
only
pressure,
1 pound.
baby.
Your turn. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Hold on, let me write it down.
Wait, though he's gonna get off out quick. Just watch.
Okay.
He hates this, guys.
And okay, I get one. Okay, go.
Wait, how do you do it?
I don't know. Try and do it.
Like this?
Yeah, like
Wait, I
that.
remember how you do. No.
Just because I'm not me, go. You figure it out from right there.
Like this?
No, you have to lock it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Eh? That's gonna be.
Hmm.
Oh, you're mad.
What's up, homie?
Shut up.
Yeah, does that count as another point? Oh no, that counts as a point. You don't get a point.
Yeah, I guess. God.
Okay.
I'm
which one,
weak, guys.
Which one we should do next?
Is
Standing
there
up?
another one?
Standing
yeah,
up?
go ahead, standing
Okay.
up.
Can you see this one right there?
I don't know, but we'll get you guys up like that. Wait.
I'm not having this time.
Little bit more down.
Shit, sorry about your head.
Ah, it's.
1, 2, 3, go.
Get everything that I could out of my way.
Your glasses?
Oh my
Look at your glasses.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, bro. I saw your glasses falling. That's why. This should be easy again.
I know I'm shorter than you.
There.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
No, if you do that, my arms are gonna get unlocked.
She's already giving up.
No, if you do that, my arms get unlocked.
I could just do this, guys. Never mind. I can't flip. Okay. Let's just.
No, my hand is gonna get unlocked.
Hey, that's not. You can't fucking do that shit.
Look at guys, if you're gonna get unlocked, all you have to do is get a couple
I got
of
tired. My hands got
You
tired.
give up?
No.
Like this guy, get on top of him! Get on top of him! He won this challenge.
My hands got tired. I get another point.
It's hard.
Ow. That one, let me tie my shoes,
Look, guys.
Let me rest my arms.
Look, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's red. Look at my arms. Honestly, bruh.
Okay, you ready?
Honestly. Sorry if I
You're probably
know.
gonna get this one because my hands are all tired.
Mine are too. What the hell?
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready. Wait.
Okay, so now we're doing the knees. And she can't get up her knees. She's like this, but she could go like that. She can't just get
Like that.
Yeah. She just can't get off the knees. Okay, ready?
No, it hurts. Okay.
1, 2, and go. Ha.
Oh, my baby hairs. Wait up, wait. It's harder in your knee.
Ow, baby, you need to get your nail. Show us all your strength. Show us your strength. That's not fair though. You got off your knees.
No, I didn't. I'm
You-
still on my knees.
But you had to lay down. That's not fair. And I'm on my knees. That's not. Does that even count? Cause she like literally
It
laid
does
down.
count.
Okay, then go. You finally get a point. Yay!
Yay!
It's
No,
2-1.
I've got 2 points.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Remember, I locked myself out of one? Out of one already?
Oh yeah. So it's 2-2.
He's trying to cheat, guys.
It's 2-2 then.
Whoa,
Okay,
whoa.
go. Go, hurry up.
Yeah, it's 2, 2,
Okay,
2.
go, hurry up.
Okay. I'm gonna be in a squat position. So you won't get it. Ready? Set, go.
That was easy. That was easy.
It was.
Ah,
Woohoo!
that was easy. So, you wanna do another one, or just like that? Ew.
Oh God, guys.
So guys, we are officially done. It's tiring.
It is really tiring, and it starts to hurt your body.
Yeah, it hurts
Like
your
since
arms.
all the pressure is going into like the hands with the neck, and then the neck. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, it hurts. But we had so much fun
Yeah, it's
filming
fun
it.
playing, but it hurts after a bit. My hands hurt right here.
Mine do too, cause all the pressure you put
Yeah.
in the neck. Yeah. But
Yeah,
it was
it's
fun.
fun.
Thank you for suggesting this challenge. It was super fun. We had fun filming it, so
We'll see you guys
we
till
enjoy
next time.
we enjoy doing videos for you guys. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos, so you guys can stay tuned and you guys can turn on your bells or whatever those things.
Notification.
Okay, the notification
No,
bell
it's not it's notif.
is the whatever, you guys understand what I'm talking about.
The
But
notification.
make sure you guys comment down below how we are doing and comment any suggestions you guys would like us to do. We will do it. Like, have I already said?
Try to do it.
Yeah,
We'll
have
try.
I already said
We'll try our
thumbs
best.
up this video?
Yes, you have.
Or to end the video, go check out other recent videos that we have posted before. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, hasta luego.
Bye.
Bye.